Hello guys, Mehul here, back in with another new video, and you have already made a Notion site, right? And you have added a lots of things like forms, embeds, plugins, JavaScripts, buttons, and God knows what. And you have published that site also, right? Now you are wondering, okay, I have published my site, but how to know that how many people are visiting my site? How about the analytics, right? So obviously we're gonna solve that issue today in our this video, and obviously there are gonna be another website. Everything is solvable by this internet, this web. So let's dive into the video. So here is Notion Analytics, a simple, cool website for Notion Analytics, and obviously it's obviously clear from their website name, Notion Analytics, Notion Analytics, as clear as that. So it's too simple, and obviously it use Facebook pixels and Google Analytics in order to show you analytics. So obviously in order to get into the service, you obviously have to create an account, and it's a paid service, but they give plenty of free option, like plenty of option in the free resources also, so nothing to worry about. So you just clearly have to log in or obviously create an account. Now I have an account, so I just gonna proceed. The setup process is too much simple. Like, you don't have to do have to know a lot of things. Just you want to add a new tracker, and obviously you have to attach the Notion page. Obviously if you have made something in Notion and published it, obviously you have to give the Notion page link here. Then obviously you have to give it a title, and this title is for the reference for this site only, okay, not from for not nowhere else. After giving that, you have to connect the site, like connecting it with your Google Analytics, and they provide great support, like not support, what when I say, like, get step by step guides, so that would not be a issue at all. And after connecting, you have, here is the install section. So in install section, obviously you have to click on the install section, and they will provide a JavaScript for you. You just not JavaScript, just a link for you, and you have to copy the link and paste it in your website, paste it in your Notion page anywhere that you like. Obviously they will show up a watermark. Let me show you the watermark if I can. Okay, you can see that in my latest website, that is obviously value added. So obviously if you scroll totally at the end of the website, you will see a watermark there. So that is basically from them. And after that, let's go and see how many visitors do you have. That's it, nothing else, no hassles at all. And another great thing, if you ever attach Notion Analytics to your site, obviously you can visit your own Google Analytics dashboard and see more detailed review from there also. So that one thing you should keep in mind, that if you don't like their dashboard, obviously you can go over to your own dashboard, own Google Analytics dashboard, and get a more clearer, more more metrics and more data actually. So obviously that's it for this video. Please use this site. Like, obviously it's too easy to use, and obviously it will help you in tracking and having the analytics of your website. So that's about it. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. And if you know about some of the great apps, cool resources, or some of the great new cool websites, web apps, please let me know about them in the comments as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. Bye.